Hello. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Just started live streaming. Copy. What's going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? What is going on, guys? What's going on? Hey, what's up, Addy? Hey, you're my first viewer. Hey, morning. What's the TMB? BTC being very boring, no movement. Yeah, this weekend looks like it's pretty flat so far. But Addy, I appreciate you coming out here, being my first viewer. We're gonna go through the TA. I'm gonna give you guys here my opinion and all that. But thank you for joining. I literally just started streaming like 2 seconds ago. Let me know if the audio levels are good and all that. Let me check. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. Cheers, mate. Hey, man, thanks for joining, bro. Yeah, we're definitely gonna check out the whole crypto space at the moment. The weekend is pretty flat, which I thought was gonna be flat. I mean, everybody was either saying dump or pump, right? And then it's literally right in the middle. Hey Angela, thanks for joining the live stream. Angela, you're always one of the first people here. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Yeah, I haven't been in live in like 2 days. But I've been active on, yesterday I uploaded a YouTube video, and then the day before that I did like TikTok and some other things. But I just been trying, to be active, pushing everything here, my content on all platforms, Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube, like you name it, Twitter as well. But yeah, thank you guys. Hey Josh, what's up, Josh? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Dada Marie, hi. Hey Dada, welcome to the live stream. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. If this is your first time, you guys can join my free Discord in the description below for crypto. But yeah, here in my live stream we do TA, technical analysis. We talk about the crypto market, your opinions and stuff like that on the best coins, what's going on in the crypto market, you know what I'm saying? So do a giveaway to the first 10 people on here. A giveaway for this 10. What do you mean the first 10 people on here? All for like the 10 people that are on here, the first 10. I already did my first giveaway when I reached 30K, and I do want to do another giveaway, but we got to see. I think I'm going to do a giveaway at 50K, 50,000 subscribers, which my goal, as you guys can see there at the bottom left on the screen, I have 68 days. It's going to be hard, because we are in a bear market, and every crypto YouTuber took a hit. It's taking a hit from this bear market, which is normal, right? It's a bear market, so your views are going to be down, money, all that stuff. So I don't expect to get a lot of subscribers throughout, these next couple months, because it's a bear market. Not a lot of people are searching for crypto stuff, right? Which is completely fine. It actually gives us better opportunity to invest in the right cryptos for the next bull run. And as you guys know, bear markets make millionaires or even billion. Like, it really depends on the cryptos and altcoins that you guys invest in. This is actually one of my latest videos on my top 5 altcoins to survive the bear market. And guys, honestly, like the best, obviously not financial advice, right? Like, this is not a financial advice YouTube channel. This is just for educational purposes only. But honestly, the best financial thing that you could probably do in this moment in time in history, right? Like every single time period in history has the best. When you think back, there's a certain action that was the best financial thing that you can invest in, right? During the 1800s or whatever, real estate, right, in New York or whatever. During the 200s, tech stocks like Apple, Amazon, the ones that survived and became huge, right? Like Amazon was like literally $9 now it's like worth $2,000 a stock. You know what I mean? So in my opinion, from my perspective in looking at the overall economy, obviously not financial advice, I think the best financial move that you could probably make in this time in history is investing in the right cryptos that will survive this bear market and be huge in the next bull market. Honestly, it is in crypto, but it's investing in the right cryptos, right? And that takes a lot of research and also luck. Like, there is luck involved. That my data has finished. Please, can anyone help me? What do you mean your data? Josh said with the Mr. Beast giveaways. Yeah. Mr. Beast be having crazy giveaways. Angela said, I've been putting most of mine in USD, only leaving the low scalp, the highs, and tuck. Yeah, Angela, definitely. Like, I'm still not, I mean, I'm not buying heavy in crypto right now because I do expect it to fall even more. But when it falls even more and more, that's when I'm going to probably go in deeper. You know what I mean? Like when it has a big crash, like when Bitcoin's under 20K, which a lot of people don't think it will, but I'll wait till Bitcoin hits its bottom. And I did lose a little, but broke even early of the low pumps. Yeah, that's a great thing. That's it's definitely good to, even with this huge dip, I've been investing too by little, and only in projects that I do think is going to be winners in the long term. Like XRP is one of them, Cosmos is another one, but I'm not investing in them anymore, like any more amount until we have another huge dip, because I feel like I already invested a good amount. But yeah, that's the key, guys. Like, crypto is the best financial move that you can make, but you have to choose the right ones, right? I mean, just look back at past bear markets. People literally became millionaires from investing in certain cryptos. Now this time, it's gonna be like, it's probably gonna be like cut in half. I know everybody says, oh, only a few cryptos will survive, everything else is going to zero, this and that. I feel like every single cycle, not a lot of them do go to zero, will go to zero, but not all of them. It's gonna get like shorter and shorter as time goes on. That's the way I feel. I mean, you look back at the last bear market to this previous bull run. I mean, look at how many cryptos, in the altcoin season that we had, right? So many cryptos. Like, people were literally just choosing some random altcoin and they made money. You know what I'm saying? So when you take the time to research during this bear market, it's gonna pay you, a lot in the future, because I do think that the next bull market is gonna be heavy influenced by utility tokens. Okay, like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. I know those three are like fighting. But hey, Doctor, welcome to the live stream, bro. Thanks for joining the live stream. And just said the bots are ridiculous today, trying to get in and out on a trade. Yeah, the trading bots, right? Yeah, the trading bots are crazy, especially on KuCoin. See here, thank you guys. We already got 4 likes. Don't forget to like the stream. It definitely helps out the stream. Already got 10 viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming on here. Let's check here the crypto bubbles. I'm kind of interested here, curious, want to see the last hour or so. So it's like the biggest crypto that's been up the last hour is actually Luna, up 1.1%. And the biggest loss is Luna Classic and T. I don't know what T is, but Luna Classic dumping pretty hard. Yeah, let's check here on the daily. On the daily though, well, a T has like crazy gains, so it's probably like a new coin. H&T up 11% on the day. Wow, that's pretty good. Avalanche up 8% on the day. Hey, what's up, Bebnator? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. What's going on, bro? How are you doing? How's your weekend going? I also forgot to share the live stream here in the Discord. Let me put here in announcements. Let me put here the link. Thank you guys for being active on the Discord. If you guys didn't see my latest announcement, I basically said that right over here that I used the, you know, some of the super chat donations that you guys gave me, which is, I just want to say thank you guys so much. And I invested it in the Stream Deck. I don't know if you guys, it's like on my table right here, but this is basically what a Stream Deck is. And basically all it is like every time you press one of these buttons, I can program one, like I can make one do whatever I want it to do. And every time I press one of that, it's just super convenient. It can do literally anything I want on the computer. Maybe like play a funny sound effect, maybe play like a funny GIF, or do specific things. So I just want to thank you guys so much for the donations, because you guys literally helped me buy this, which I'm still kind of, you know, figuring out how to use this. I only added literally like 2 functions, and they're 2 sound effects. They're just like 2 funny sound effects, but I'm gonna add more in the future just to make the live stream more interactive and like, you know, cool. So I just want to thank you guys for helping me get the Stream Deck. It really means a lot. Doctor said, I'm going to invest in BAT, XRP, and ETH for the future. I'm going to diamond hand those for a year or so. Yeah, those are definitely great. Like, but my thing with BAT though, like I gotta do more research in BAT. Like I'm pretty sure you did a lot of research on BAT, Doctor. Like tell me more about it, because I feel like it depends a lot on the browser. And I feel like Chrome, I feel like nothing can compete with Chrome and, you know, Google. So that's my only thing when I see, you know, the BAT token and the Brave browser. But maybe there's more to it. But that's like my only concern. The fact that Chrome is like the biggest one, and Google, I mean, they literally have so much money that they will probably like try to crush every other competitor. So that's my only concern with BAT token, is the Brave browser. Like how much does it depend on the Brave browser, and will the Brave browser actually be successful? You know what I mean? But yeah, XRP and ETH definitely I think are great investments for the future. I have both of them. Well, I had ETH. I haven't gotten into ETH yet. Again, I gotta get back into ETH. But yeah, good bro. Just been looking at crypto all weekend. Yeah, you know, crypto this weekend has been pretty flat. It's funny because people predicted it either to pump or dump, and it's literally in the middle, right? It's literally fat like we were around this area. But I will say there is a lot of support around 29,350 or 29,400. There's a lot of support right there. So if you do break that, expect us to go to like 28,700. Okay, if you do break that. But so far we're making higher highs here. I mean, you can see this higher highs, 1, 2, higher lows. I mean, okay, let me actually go here on the 5-minute. You can see it better. So we're making higher lows, but I want to see if it's a bow. Yeah, we're making higher lows. It's addictive. All my friends are alike. Don't you talk about anything else? What are you talking about? Crypto? And yeah, definitely. I mean, I want to say I'm like super addictive to like looking at the charts and stuff, but I probably like, I do look a lot of crypto content on the daily, especially when I'm like on TikTok and Instagram and stuff. Yo, my guy. Hey, what's up, Team Money? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. How are you doing, bro? And thank you for following me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much, Team Money. If you guys didn't know, you guys can follow me on Instagram. I am active on Instagram. I'm active like literally everywhere, like Instagram, YouTube, obviously, TikTok, Twitter. So that's already 4 right there. And I'm also active in my Facebook group. I do have a Facebook group for Invest to Rest. So I'm active there as well. Like every time I have a video, I'll send it there. We already have like 200 people in there. And the last one, Discord, right? So look at this. We're making higher lows, which is a good thing here. But again, this could be a, what's that pattern called? The bull. I forgot what it's called. No, the bear trap. Not the bear trap. The The bear flag. There you go. I mean, this could be a bear flag. Let's look here if you can see if this looks like a bear flag or not. Let's see if you can find a bear flag. This definitely looks like a bear flag. But it's making higher lows after we took this huge dump here from around 30K. There's a lot of support here at 29,400. But this is, you know, we're making higher lows, which is good. But this could also be a bear flag, right? Let's see right here if you can catch a bear flag. Something like that. BTC has a flip resistance line to support line. Do you think this is bullish? What do you mean a flip resistance to support line? Yeah, I mean it looks like it's coming up here to test resistance right here. If it can break this, that's gonna be bullish. If Bitcoin can break this over the weekend, what is that? 29,900. That's gonna be great. I mean, because look, we have this huge gap up here. If it can break that, then expect 30,300. Okay, expect it to go up here to 30,300. If it can break that resistance, you know, healthy and push up. But if it doesn't, it's probably gonna go back here to support around 29,300. Do you know why Luna dumped, bro? Yeah, so we were looking at crypto bubbles last, you know, hour. So Luna Classic on the daily 7.8% down, which is insane. And Luna also 14% down, which is crazy. I actually don't know exactly why Luna dumped. Let me actually go right here. Twitter. But I've been hearing that there's like a bunch of crazy things going on with the governance with Luna, and maybe that's something why it's been dumping. Let me actually see right here on Twitter. Maybe there's a post. But I still hold all my Luna from the airdrop and from Luna Classic. Yeah, so right here, a lot of people, look, Fat Man tweeted, but he doesn't care about to talk about his own conflicts, namely the pressure being put from various VC funds to make up for losses. He didn't disclose the jump bribe, and he's actively lying about TFL not owning any Luna. Why would anyone expect the truth now? So just like a lot of conflicts going on. Breaking a report, Arcane Research has shown that Do Kwon's Terraform Labs and large Luna whales dumped on retail right before UST collapsed. Wow. Look at this guy tweeted, lost 300K in Luna, got an airdrop of $59. Thank you, Do Kwon. I mean, that I shouldn't be laughing. That's like literally me. Lost 300K in Luna, got an airdrop to $59. Right? So I mean, that's what's going on right now with Luna. I feel like this dump is because there's a lot of conflict right now. Like the conflict increased even more. Just jumped all my airdrop Luna and bought more Luna Classic. But yeah, let's see if you can find a bull flag here for Bitcoin, because it is making higher lows. Something like that. Maybe watch something like that. It might be a bull flag. Bull flag is when it's in between this range, and then if it breaks this, it just comes down like crazy. but we'll see. We'll see. If you see 1 minute chart, it's just dropped like $1 in 1 minute. Really? Let me actually check Luna then. Let's check out Luna. T-Money just said Luna just dropped $1 in a minute. Look at this. Yeah, you're right. Look at that. In 1 minute, Luna went from 6.3 all the way to $5 in 1 minute. Like, this is the 1 minute chart, guys. Like, this is not even the hourly or what. This is the 1 minute. Look at this. Boop. Now it's just flat. I mean, this just means right here that this was just a huge well. Okay, this is obviously a huge well. Let's go here on the hourly for Luna. And this was that drop. No, this was is this the hourly? Okay. Yeah, look, 6.4. Boop. Now it's around $5, 5.3. Hey, what's up, Zapped? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Zapped's in the house right now. Zapped, thank you so much for being active on Discord, posting your signal alerts. If you guys didn't know, me, Zapped, and Kajun, okay, we post our signal alerts here at TA, basically signal calls and all that stuff, pretty actively here on the Discord signal alerts. If you guys are an active trader too and you want to post signal alerts, definitely let me know. Pretty open-minded to adding new people. Cadena is doing well right now. Sniff said Cadena is doing well, and welcome Sniff to the live stream, bro. Thanks for joining. Let's check out Cadena. Yeah, Cadena is doing pretty good here. Looks like it's making higher lows. Yeah, look, higher low. So Cadena looks like, and it looks like it's forming a cup, right? Look, this is the pattern right here that I see with Cadena. It's like forming a cup and handle, right? It's like rounded, and now it wants to go back up, right? This is like the pattern that I see with Cadena at the moment, but we'll see if it continues to do that. But yeah, you're definitely right. Cadena looks pretty good right now. Coin stacks, what just happened with Luna? I don't know. Apparently it sold $1. It went down $1 on the 1 minute chart. What is this? Yeah, that was Cadena. This is Luna. Look at this 1 minute chart, right? On the 1 minute chart, 6.3 to 5. It's insane. Currently keeping an eye on waves. Yeah, I heard that waves had like a huge pump, and a lot of people have been saying it might be a great time to short waves because of this huge pump, right? What the heck is this? Let's check out waves right here. I mean, look at this guy. I mean, this looks like a pyramid, right? Look, this looks like a pyramid right here. Waves had a huge pump from $10. Well, that was February, right? Oh, this is March. Okay, I'm looking back way back in time. This is the pump that it had. Okay, never mind. Sorry about that. But this is the pump that it had from $4, boop, all the way to $10, 12, right? Now a lot of people are looking to short it. I mean, could this be like an upside down cup, right? Rounded, something like that. I don't know. But a lot of people are looking to short waves since it had this huge pump. And especially if Bitcoin continues to go down like 28K, 27K, probably be a good time to short waves. Bitcoin sort of played out what I expected it to. Yeah, I saw that, Zap. Definitely. I mean, you know, a lot of people expected to either dump crazy or pump crazy this weekend, and it's just been pretty flat for now. It could flip on the 4 hour and 15 minute and 1 hour. And just said lots of pumps and dumps. 88 my favorite, but you have to time it just right. Yeah, definitely. And And that, you know, that's the type of investor that I am. I'm not a DCA investor. I'm more of like a trader investor. Like I'll invest in times when I'm like, okay, this is probably a good time to invest. DCA investors invest no matter what the price is, on routinely, right? Some even have like a recurring buy, and that's fine. Like that's 100% acceptable, especially if you don't really care about crypto or the stock market. You don't have interested in learning more about it, but you do want to have assets, right? You do want to own it because you know that it's gonna go up, or you know that it's the future. DCA is completely fine, right? Because you don't have to spend a lot of time with that. But for people that are actually interested in crypto, stocks, whatever, investing in this, then you're most likely up to date, with the news and stuff like that. And I know a lot of people say, you can't time the bottom, this and that. But the truth, guys, is like timing don't be fearful of trying to time the bottom. Like they try to make that like something that you shouldn't do. You should just DCA. Like, don't listen to that. Obviously not financial advice, because it's not, you can't time the bottom 100%, but timing the bottom is a skill. And if you can learn that skill and you can time the bottom just 20% of the bottom, you're going to be 20%, you're going to have 20% more than if you didn't time the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Like it's kind of like logical, but I just hate those people that just talk bad on trying to time the bottom and saying, you can never time the bottom, just DCA, blah blah blah. Like the truth is, nobody can 100% time the bottom, but if you can practice it like a skill and practice it more and more, even if you just time the bottom 20%, 30%, 50%, you're making profit, right? Nah, it's deformed middle finger. Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. Richmond, welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for joining the stream. Just got here. What do you think is the target price for Wave? I shorted it from 9.9 last night, lol. Yeah, man, that's I was just talking about it's definitely, it looks like a great time to short Wave, but it looks like it already started coming down, right? I mean, the pattern that we can see right here is like a rounded top, right? Like this is like a rounded top or like an upside down cup. So, but let's look here. I'm gonna give you guys here my targets that I could see here, Wave coming to. Obviously, you see this orange line right here? There's a lot of support right there, okay? 7.35. There's a lot of support on 7.35. So if you were to put a stop loss, I mean, if you were to put like not a stop loss, a take profit loss, not a take profit, like a take profit limit, 7.40 around there, around this line right here would be a great time to take profit, because I do expect a bounce from over here when it gets here, just because there's a lot of support here. Even if you go back here in time, just look right here, boom, you know, there's a lot of support here at the 7.40, 7.35 area. You see that? So that's probably my like target, my next target. Again, it can also bounce from over here to around 7.70. What is that? 7.80. So that's one target to watch too. I think if it breaks 7.80, then your next target is 7.40, or I mean not 7.40, 7.35. So those are my targets to watch for Wave. If you are shorting it, definitely be careful. Not financial advice, obviously. T Money said if you wait too many people short, I think it will get liquidated. It will bounce from support. Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's why you want to look. That's why you want to, you know, you want to treat it as like very, you don't want to leverage, like go crazy on leverage. You want to have a tight stop loss. You want to manage your risk to reward ratio. And you know, those are the biggest things that good traders do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I'm looking here for waves. I mean, this is waves right here. So far, it's forming like a rounded top right here. It's like a rounded top. I'm late. Oh, you're not late, bro. I just started streaming like 30 minutes ago. But welcome to the stream to Link. Fadian, I keep hearing So is the next Luna, but I don't buy it. What are your thoughts? Hey, Fadian, thanks for joining the live stream, bro. And yeah, that's actually funny because the last 2 weeks or so, I just recently got into like Solana NFTs, and I bought my first Solana NFT, which I'll share here with you guys, like yesterday. Obviously, this is just like something that I'm like researching still and like just testing out. But you know, a lot of people don't like Solana because they say it's too centralized. Like as you guys saw, Solana went down like a day ago or 2 days ago. But I do like Solana, especially for like NFTs. There's a reason why Solana NFTs are like huge at the moment, right? One, because it's super convenient. Like the prices for Solana to mint an NFT is like nothing compared to Ethereum gas fees, right? So I do like Solana for that. But yeah, I mean, in the future, it's really a risk play. Like, can it fail? Yeah, I mean, it could definitely happen. But at the moment, I do like Solana. But it's not my 100%, you know, conviction play. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're just watching waves right here, which had a huge pump these last couple of days. It went as high as 11.60. Now it looks like it's forming like a rounded top, right? It's like rounding up right here. So that's what we're watching right now. So when you take profits, do you go 100% take profit on one specific price target, or do you piece by piece? When I do trade, I do it like on a specific price. Like I don't usually do it piece by piece. Like maybe sometimes I'll take like 50% at a certain price and I'll keep the rest 50% to see how it goes. But usually it's like at a specific price. Hey, Summer Breeze, welcome to the live stream. Thanks for joining the live stream. Summer Breeze is in the house. Already got 25 viewers. Thank you guys so much for being here. Just want to say thank you guys. You guys are awesome. We have 14 likes. Thank you guys for the 14 likes. Don't forget to like the live stream. It definitely helps on my channel grow. And I just want to say thank you guys so much, because with you guys, I was able to invest here in a stream deck. Look, I put here in the Discord announcement. This is what I bought a couple days ago. It's an Elgato stream deck. I was able to use some of the donations and invest in this to make my live streams even better. And basically what this is like I can put like a command for each one of these buttons, maybe like a sound effect or like something that does action, and then every time I press it, it does it in the live stream. Like watch this, look, just hear this.
No one has ever done that. No one has
I just pressed the button right there.
that in the history of
So that was just like a sound effect. I'm still like learning it, trying to figure out other things that I can do, but it's like it's so awesome because it's like super convenient and it makes like the stream like fun. Yeah, like, it's like it's not just a soundboard though. Like I'm gonna have obviously some for like sound effects, but it can do like other things, like other really cool things too. So I think Solana went from top 5-ish to more like top 10, 15 with all the times it's gone. Yeah, I do think too, Fadian. And I think that's a great thing if you have a lot of belief in Solana, actually, because it gives you more, it gives you better prices to invest in Solana, because you know that will decrease Solana's price, people losing faith in it. But if you do believe in it long term, that's actually a great thing, because you're going to be able to buy Solana at lower prices, right? What's TF for strong analysis? What do you mean TF for strong analysis? To link, T-Money said ADA is my 100% conviction play. The price may drop, but the use case and utility just gets better and better. Yeah, T-Money, I do like Cardano. I have some Cardano. I stake it on Exodus wallet. I gotta find a way to like stake it on Ledger, but it's like hard because you need like a third party wallet or whatever. But I do like Cardano. Cardano always reminds me of that quote that says, "Don't invest in things, don't invest in projects, invest in people," right? And when I look at Cardano, I look at the founder, right? The Charles Hodgkinson. I mean, he's a great guy. He has a great mind. So that's what I look in Cardano. And he was one of the co-creators to it for Ethereum. So, oh yeah, soundboard, cool. Yeah, thank you guys. Fading said my top 3 Bitcoin, ETH, and ADA. Yeah, those are great top 3s right there. Bitcoin, ETH, and ADA. Maybe boring, but after seeing Luna, I'm not throwing everything into one crypto. I have about 20 cryptos I'm in. I'd rather be over diversified and deep into. Yes, great advice right there by Fadian. Crypto is actually one of the assets that's actually good to diversify. Like it's a really good thing to diversify in crypto. You know what I'm saying? Because we're still super early and you don't want to put all your eggs in a basket. You know what I mean? There's people out there that are like just Bitcoin maxis, Cardano maxis. There's people out there that just invest in one crypto, XRP. You know what I mean? But if you're an open-minded person and you're able to realize that we're super early, that a lot of these cryptos can go to zero, but there will be winners, and you're smart, like you will understand that diversification is important in crypto. Because nobody is 100% certain of the future. You know what I mean? Like nobody predicted Luna to go to zero. You know what I'm saying? There were so many people bullish on Luna. It was literally the second biggest DeFi in terms of TVL behind Ethereum. So many people had high conviction on Luna, and look what happened. So that's why I say you can't have your eggs in one basket. You gotta have multiple investments in the crypto space, in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice. TF is time frame. Yeah, so I usually use the 1 hour, 4 hour, but when I scalp, like scalp trading is different. For scalp trading, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, but usually the 1 hour. But honestly, I use all the time frames, especially like the weekly as well. You can learn a lot by looking at the long time frames to see your past here. So for example, here on the weekly, Bitcoin literally never had 9 red candles in a row, right? Like this is the first time in history. Let's go back here to Waves. I want to check out Waves because Waves looks super interesting. I mean, if it continues in this pattern, in this it's like a reverse cup, right? And this might be a good time to look at this. It looks like it's dumping right now. Waves is dumping. I told you guys, watch this. Watch 7.8, 7.80 on Waves. It's probably gonna bounce off of that. But if it breaks that, then yeah, honestly, if it breaks 7.35, you know what I mean? It looks like it's forming an exact rounded top, and it's dumping at the current moment. So let's keep an eye here on Waves. Zap said Waves can give us those wavy gains. Dillian Roller, welcome to the live stream, bro. Why did Luna and Classic Luna both drop together? Are they correlated? Yeah, they're kind of correlated. I've been looking on Twitter, and I saw like a lot of tweets just talking about a lot of controversy with Do Kwon, like new stuff that came out about like wells dumping before UST and stuff. But also there's like a huge problem with the governance for Luna at the moment. So I think that's what's causing the huge drop. All right, Wave about to test the support. Let's see it live. Yeah, look, yeah, we're watching right here, Rich. Like I told you, watch. Look, guys, we're watching live right now. Look, it's dumping. It's probably, look, watch 7.80. Okay, 7.80. That's what we gotta watch right here live. As I've said, if it breaks 7.9, it's dumping. You think so? 7.9? Yeah, I can see 7.9. Let's see what happens, right? Let's see if it bounces off 7.80 or maybe even 7.9. Let's see. Fading, I'm out for the night, bro. Keep doing your thing. Still sub, like the content from Luna, and I'll be back on the stream another time. Take care. Hey, Fading, thanks so much for being here in the stream, supporting me. And man, anytime, bro. Thanks for joining the live stream. I'll see you in the next one, bro. Peace. Take care. That's the Fib channel. Yes, yeah, this is the Fib channel. To link, is Bitcoin movement the same as the stock? Yes. Bitcoin, well, at least the last couple months, has been very correlated, like so accurate, correlated with the S&P, like the stock market, basically, or the Dow Jones. It's been pretty correlated with it. Pickle Rick, welcome to the live stream. Just got the dip. I'll buy that dip if the dip dips, you know. Bitcoin will follow stocks and also do its own thing. You never know. Lewis, what are we watching? What's the chart? Yeah, Pickle Rick, so we're watching waves. Some of you guys told me to check out waves because last couple days it had a huge pump from 4.60 all the way to 11.60, and a lot of people right now are talking about shorting waves because obviously the sentiment is bearish, right? And if Bitcoin continues to go down, waves just had a huge pump, so that's going to cause waves to have a huge dump, which means a lot of people are going to try to short. But we're watching here what I said here on waves, here on the hourly. It looks like it's forming like a rounded top, right? Doesn't this look like a rounded top, like a upside down cup, right? Something like that. And the support that I'm watching is currently 7.80, but looks like it's bouncing off of 7.9, which Zapped actually said here in the live stream that if it breaks 7.9, then it's gonna drop like crazy. So it looks like it's stopping there for now. We'll see if it continues to break that 7.9. USD dominant moves the opposite way of Bitcoin. Yeah, UST dominance is another chart to see that's opposite correlation with Bitcoin. That will help you a lot. It's forming a wedge, but it did break below the support. Yeah, guys, like honestly, there's just so many things going on with crypto at the moment. I think this summer is gonna be a crazy crypto summer. Like I'm not even joking. This is gonna be a great crypto summer to buy, you know, at certain levels. There's probably gonna be a lot of crazy news coming. I mean, I remember last summer was crazy. Don't you guys remember last summer? Bitcoin was around 30K or something in July. And then ever since Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, Jack had that interview, I watched this live. Ever since that interview came out in July, Bitcoin just went up ever since that interview. Like I remember it like it was yesterday. Because they talked so many good things about Bitcoin. Like they were just saying so many good things about Bitcoin in that interview that I remember. And then after that interview, Bitcoin didn't go back to 30K. But a lot of people are thinking that the bottom is going to be around mid-July. They're predicting in mid-July or around there. But we'll see. I mean, we definitely got to see what goes on here. Waiting on Maple to explode. Zap said, okay, thanks, bro. Old man Jenkins, hi. What's up, old man? Thank you guys for joining the live stream. We already have, let's see right here. 18 likes. Thank you guys for the 18 likes. Definitely helps out my channel. Let's check out here the hourly crypto bubbles. What's been up here on the hour? Luna Classic 1.5% up. Graph 1.8%. Neo up 3%. But on the daily though, on the daily, Luna down 15.5% on the daily, guys. Waves down 15%. So these are our big losers of the daily on the day. Luna 15%, Waves 15%, Chainlink up 9%. I told you guys, Chainlink is one of, you know, my safe cryptos to survive this bear market. Avalanche up 7%. H&T, I do have an H&T miner, up 11%. Rune 7%. So it looks like a lot of good cryptos are up today. Solana up 4.9% on the daily. Good evening. Hey Shane, thanks for joining the live stream, bro. How are you guys doing? And just said, I think I'll be good till mid-July, and then we'll have another dip. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling too. I feel like June is actually gonna be pretty good. Like we're probably gonna see a pump in sometime in the next couple weeks. Throughout June, and then we're probably gonna see a huge drop in July or something. And just said, but after that, it should go up, back up. Yeah, you think so? I mean, that's what a lot of people feel. A lot of people feel that July and August, like after that, it's gonna go up, and that's exactly what happened last year. Last year, August was a great month, right after July, September, and then you guys remember October and November, it was, everything was up. I got wrecked by Chainlink today, lost like 30 bucks, but didn't even bother me because I could make gains another time. Yeah, that's definitely not bad. And what did you try to short Chainlink, or were you trying to long it? Hello, hey Art, welcome to the live stream, bro. Thanks for joining the live stream. Let me test here the audio levels. It sounds pretty good. But yeah, we're watching waves here because a lot of people are talking about shorting waves after this huge pump. Let's actually look here. I mean, look. This is the range that it's in right here. You see this on the blue lines? It's in this range. If it breaks this, in my opinion, if it breaks 7.80, that's just gonna, you know, keep dumping. What's your strategy in crypto, Omar? Try to short it. So Zapti, try to short it. Like the H&T mining, looking at them, but usually a long wait. Yeah, Shane, so I actually got mine like about a year ago. I honestly don't know if it's worth it at the moment, because I gotta see how much I'm making daily, because I usually make like maybe like $1 daily now. It used to be like way more, but honestly, what I would do if I didn't have an H&T miner right now, I would probably look to buy used H&T miners, whether it's on eBay, Mercari, or whatever, because it is a long wait. But if you buy used, you'll get in like a couple of days. But I do like it. I haven't sold any of it after mining it because I like H&T. I like H&T long term, so I do like it, especially if you have like a tall house. But yeah, Omar, my strategy in crypto, so I invest like, I'm not like a DCA person. I'm more like I trade, like I buy when I know it's like at a good price, like when it dips like crazy, right? People that DCA literally buy regardless of the price. You know what I'm saying? So instead of like buying every single week or day or whatever, I just save that and I'll wait until we have a huge dump, and then I'll invest like a certain amount. That's my strategy in investing like long term. So yeah. David, I was thinking about shorting wave. Yeah, that's what a lot of people are talking about at the moment. We're watching Wave right here. But thank you, David, for joining the live stream. Shane said thanks. HNT Miner doesn't mind much anymore though. Yeah, let me check it right here on my HNT app. One thing about HNT Miner though is that you have to find the best place to put it on your house, because the position can definitely make you a lot more. If you have a 2-story house, put it as high as you can. Honestly, like, invest in the antenna. This is what I should do. I haven't been looking into too much into it, but the best thing you could do is invest in the antenna, which I don't know how much it is, that goes outside, and you could put it higher on like your roof or something. That's going to increase your HNT. So let's see, today I made, how much HNT did I make? I want to see here. Your earnings. Yeah, I'm trying to find out how much HNT I made. 20 hours ago. Honestly, it's like, it's been less than $1 a day. Like, it's probably like 80 cents, 70 cents a day. It used to be more though. That's how much. But again, another thing that has an effect to it is the amount of HNT miners around you and how high it is. So that will change the amount that you make daily. So can we short on KuCoin if we live in the US? Yeah, you can definitely. I mean, you don't need to KYC on KuCoin if you live in the US, but you can definitely leverage trade on KuCoin. Luna popped. T-Money said. Really? Many rumors that Bitcoin will go down. Is it true? Obviously, nobody knows the future to Link, but I mean, I do think that it's gonna come down more, at least to the 200 weekly, the 200 weekly MA, because every single bear market, Bitcoin touches the 200 weekly MA, and the 200 weekly MA is around 22K at the moment. Can we short on? I already answered that. Remember, I used to mine like $300 in a week. Yeah, Zapped, I remember that. That was early back in the day. That was just insane. Or a month. I go to have a great night, and thank you for the live info. Angela, thank you so much for stopping by. Always appreciate you coming here in the live stream, and thank you. You also need to buy a better antenna, 8 dB. Yeah. So I definitely recommend buying a better antenna for HNT. Honestly, that's probably what I should do. I gotta look into that. I just hope that antenna doesn't take as long to ship as like the HNT miner, you know what I mean? Lizzie said, thanks. Do you short by buying the 3S tokens, or do you use more? So Lizzie, the safe route would probably be to buy the 3S tokens, because you don't lose your money. But if you leverage trade, you can get stopped out. Basically, if you, based on the amount that you leverage trade, let's say it's 3x, even more, if it reaches a certain price, if it the opposite way of what if you either long or short, then you could get stopped out and you lose all your money. You get liquidated. But if you do buy the 3S tokens, you still keep those tokens, even if it like goes down like crazy or up. You can still sell those tokens. It's like less risky, I guess. But leverage trading is more, has a higher reward to risk ratio, because you know, you're basically borrowing money to trade, right? Like 3x, 5x. So you got to be careful if you do leverage trade. You definitely got to be careful. You have to look at resistance, support levels. Oh, and random question, but were you able to claim the asset mantle airdrop? I staked on Cosmos and did all the quizzes, but couldn't claim last time I checked. Yeah, so I don't remember exactly, but I just went to their website again. I connected my wallet, and there was like a thing where it said claim, and I just pressed claim, and then it's like under the Juno wallet, I think. but I was able to claim it. I do. And maybe you did claim it, like maybe it's already in your wallet. Is it, you should just probably check your Juno wallet, because you might be checking your Cosmos wallet and it might be actually in your Juno wallet. So check the Juno wallet to see if the mantle airdrops on there. Thanks so much for the info. We'll be very careful when shorting. Yeah, Lizzie, definitely. And I mean, there is a lot of platforms, I think KuCoin also, that they have like demos or like paper trading with leverage, so you can practice with that, because with that you're basically like using fake money to leverage trade in short and long. And then when you use that, learn to put the stop loss or the take profits, because that is going to be super key when you actually do use your real money. Because if you don't put a tight stop loss like at a good, you know, support area, and it goes like down, like it dumps crazy, you're going to be liquidated, you're going to lose all your money, right? So that's what I would look into before actually using your money. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, will do. Yeah, like another thing too is like, yeah, like paper trading and demo trading is great, but me personally, obviously not financial advice, what I like to do is to practice at least. I like to use my real money, but not like a lot. Like I'll use like literally less than $5 to practice shorting and or longing, because what I found out was like psychologically, if you use your real money, even if it's like $5, $3 to leverage trade, it will help you practice with your emotions, and emotions is like super important in trading. But when you use paper trading, when you use like demo money, like fake money to do that, you're practicing with like 5k, and then you lose like 3k, right? Like at the end of the day, it's like it's not your money, so it doesn't really affect you emotionally unless you really try to like believe, like, you know, try to pretend that it's like your money. But I don't know, I just feel like even if it's just like $5, $3, and then I lose like 50% of that, like it helps you practice with your emotions. Hey Lewis, hey Neo, welcome to the live stream. Neo just joined the live stream. Skin in the game. Thank you guys for coming here to the live stream. We're watching Waves here, looking at how Waves reacts here. So it looks like it's bouncing pretty well here from 7.94 around 7.94. But it still looks like it's making around the top here, like a opposite cup. Lizzie said, thanks, super good tip. I practiced with $11 of my real money last year and bought H&T at like $3 and ended up getting a huge return. Haha. Yeah, that's great. I mean, I'm guessing you spot traded, right? For that, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you did leverage trade. But wow, H&T at $3. That's definitely a great price for H&T. I mean, I think H&T dropped a lot too. Probably like at $8 or something right now, but I remember when H&T was like at $40 or something. But yeah, that's definitely great. And if you guys weren't here in the beginning of the stream, I talked about the best, like in the beginning of the stream, I talked about the times in history which are like the best investments to make. Like obviously back then, buying real estate in like New York or whatever, during that time, during the 200s, you know, buying tech stocks like Amazon, which is like $9, and now it's worth like $2,000 or something, Google stock, all that. There are times in history where you look back and you're like, yeah, that was the best financial move to invest in at that certain time, right? And I was talking about in the beginning of the stream that, I mean, looking at the world today, probably the best long-term like financial decision, obviously not financial advice, this is just my opinion, is investing in the successful cryptos of the future. Now that's kind of hard because you gotta research, you know, and invest in cryptos and diversify in cryptos that you believe will be successful, at least till next bull run, right? I mean, you look back at past bear markets in crypto, people literally became millionaires investing in Cardano at like 3 cents, Polygon at like 1 penny, right? Polygon went to like $3. Imagine that. So yeah, I mean, crypto is definitely the biggest asset class in this history and time. You know, when you in the future, people are gonna look back and be like, wow, yeah, crypto, investing in crypto was definitely the greatest thing. But the key thing is you gotta research the right cryptos, right? And you can't just have all your eggs in one basket. Richmond said, make sure when you guys use leverage that you know when to enter and know if the reward is better. Yes, great advice right there by Richmond. Is he said that when you use leverage trade, make sure you know your reward ratio. Make sure you put, you know, a stop loss where you think if it breaks that it will dump, right? And yeah, I mean, if you put a stop loss at a small percentage, then instead of losing 100% of your money, you lose maybe 5%, right? It all depends on your risk to reward ratio. But definitely practice that before, you know, when you practice leverage trading with like demo money. Free, I mean, Richmond said, I'm watching Netflix and Waves at the same time, LOL. What show are you watching on Netflix, Richmond? Neil said, Lewis, I don't got too much time, but good luck on this live stream. Can't wait for the next stream. And Neil, it's all good, bro. And thank you so much for at least stopping by. I really appreciate it, man. Let's go, Brandon. Wow, you expect Luna Classic $1 this month? Is it possible for you to summarize why? I want to know your analysis. Have 10 million Luna to $1 would create insane levels for January. I mean, I don't expect Luna Classic to $1. Maybe ever. Like, I don't expect it to $1 with this supply, at least. Like, this supply, Luna Classic will not get to $1 with this supply. They would have to burn literally a lot of Luna Classic to get $1. And on top of that, people would have to like hold it. Like, if they keep burning and people are just dumping it, you know what I mean? David said leverage trading is good if you put a stop loss, and then if you think it's gonna pump, then just set stop loss to break even. Yeah, exactly what David said. I mean, honestly, the mindset that you want to have is like risk to reward ratio. Like, you're risking a certain small percentage of your money to reward a higher percentage, right? Because you believe it's either going up or down. And if you just practice that and you get good at it, that's how traders make a living. I mean, Brandon, it won't, bro. LOL. Richmond said, Brandon, it won't go, bro. It's like thinking ship to $1. Zap said. David, Revoluto is up 7,000%. Another scam coin. Really? Revoluto. Richmond said, how probably a rebase project, LOL. Yeah, a lot of rebase projects are like crazy. Lesko said, that's why I'm curious. The numbers would have to be extreme. Personally, I'd be happy to lose a 0. 2 zeros be phenomenal. Yeah, like honestly, I'm not saying Luna Classic won't pump in the future or whatever. I actually do think that will pump, but for it to get like extreme levels like $1, even like 1 cent, they would have to do something crazy, like burn a lot of the token or add some crazy utility to it. But I do think that it will pump eventually. Jack, what do you think about People Coin? People Coin, I never heard of People Coin. Let's check it out. I'll go right here to CoinMarketCap. Never heard about People Coin. Was that a coin about people? Oh, is it this one? Constitutional DAO? Is this what you're talking about here? A people coin? Yeah, I never heard about this. So it's like a DAO, I guess. Okay, what is people coin? It's experiment that has now been dissolved. A group of Web3 enthusiasts gathered as a decentralized autonomous organization with the shared objective of buying a copy of U.S. Constitution at a Sotheby's auction. There are only 13 original physical copies of the U.S. Constitution in existence, which meant that this auction sparkled a competitive bidding battle. Even though the group managed to raise well over 40 million in ETH, it ultimately fell short and it was outbid by Ken Griffin, a billionaire hedge fund manager and CEO of Citadel. Wow. But what, I don't understand. What was the point? Why were they trying to buy one of the original copies of the U.S. Constitution? Would that like have something connected with the DAO or something? Richmond said Luna and Luna Classic volume have subsided tons. It will probably go sideways or even on the lower price. Yeah, I do think so too. I mean, until there's like major news or something, or the overall, or like when the crypto market starts to pick back up. But yeah, let me check out here on the hourly here. See what's starting to go up here. Let's actually check on the 15-minute. So Luna up 2.6%. Really not much up here. We're still watching here. Waves. Looks like it's forming here. Support around $8. Old Man Jenkins, wow. Jack said thank you. Anytime, Jack. And thank you for joining the live stream. And also, Jack, you can join my Discord if you want to talk to me and other people in the community. It's in the description below. It's called Invest to Rest Club. You guys can join. It's right here. Me and Zapped and Kajun, we post signal alerts right here on our technical analysis. We got a bunch of other things here as well. Yeah, we're watching waves right now. Seeing how this plays out. Let me check here. I want to share you with you guys my first Solana NFT that I got yesterday. And you won't believe the name of this NFT project, guys. So it's called Degen Island. Okay, like the name, like literally the name, Degen Island. But obviously I just bought one just as like whatever, you know what I mean? This is my first one. It was only one Solana too. It wasn't like that crazy high. And basically Degen Island is like, you can see right here, it's like an island that you get. And if you go to their website, okay, if you go right here to Degen Island map, this basically has all the islands that you get, and people can literally put like a photo. It's kind of like Sandbox, right? I don't know if you guys saw Sandbox before. It's like an NFT real estate or whatever, and then people put a photo on it. And yeah, you guys can see right there. So I bought one for like 1 Solana. The floor price is 0.78, but if you get like, they have like medium, small islands, all that stuff. But yeah, that was my first one. There's some upcoming ones that look super interesting that I think might be pretty crazy, but I don't know, I might make a video for that. We'll see. Get a dead, a reject, or a Suteki. Hey HSM, thanks for joining the live stream, bro. How are you doing? What are you guys doing this weekend? What you guys been up to? What you guys doing tomorrow, Sunday? Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you here. Let me see. So live. If you guys didn't know, I've been like pretty active on my TikTok and IG, basically Instagram Reels. So As you guys can see right here, if you have TikTok or Instagram Reels, you guys can follow me. I post literally every day. I post like my Bitcoin analysis stuff. So let's watch this one here. This is my opinion on Bitcoin 200 weekly. So I'll put it up here so you guys can see. This is why Bitcoin will hit the 200 weekly MA for the 4th time in its history. Let's go back here in time in 2013 when we made this high right here. This was the resistance line right here. We finally broke out of it, and guess where we come back down? Right on the 200 weekly. We bottom on that, and we enter into this beautiful bull run in 2017. We make a high here. Then it's the same pattern as last time, right? This huge resistance here. We break out of it. Guess where we come down in on the 200 weekly? This is how important this is. Then we have that 2020 crash that you guys remember. And this, guys, this was the first time that Bitcoin breaks the 200 weekly and bottoms on the 300 weekly. Can this happen again? Sure. But this was obviously most to do with the 2020 huge crash that then becomes bought up super quickly, and we enter into the next bull run where institutions come in. Now we are in this situation right here where we made a high of 69. We are actually so close to the 200 weekly, which is around 21k. If you guys want to catch my longer videos, check me. Yeah, so I make videos like that, but I also make like funny ones too. But yeah, that was my opinion on the 200 weekly. As you guys saw, Bitcoin every single past bear market came down to the 200 weekly, right? But yeah, I like making funny videos. I got some other funny ones here. Look at this one. Bitcoin maxis when Bitcoin has a 2,500 pump. So I just post stuff like that just for fun. Richmond said, I usually put my limit order a little over the support or sell. Yeah, that's another great tip, Richmond. Or sell a little before the resistance price. Targets are not always going to. Yeah, exactly. That's definitely another great tip if you're leverage trading. Never put it like right on it. Put it a little bit above or under your resistance or support areas, because it's never going to be like exactly on target. You know what I mean? Zap said, I saw the Ferrari one. Yeah, the Ferrari one was super funny. If you guys didn't see it, if you held, I don't want to put it. Well, let me put it. I'm just gonna put the music down because I don't want to get like copyrighted. But POV, you held XRP till 2025. This was literally a filter. Like I was literally moving my phone. It was literally like a filter. You know what I mean? But yeah, I mean that literally got over 3.2k views, which is insane. This one too, all coins I will buy when Bitcoin goes under 2k. So I just try to post like creative stuff that are kind of funny and cool. But yeah, Zap, thanks for watching my TikToks and Instagram Reels. I really appreciate it, bro. Yeah, that filter was insane. Yeah, it literally looks like you're inside the car. It was crazy. Wow, looks like graph is up 2.5% here the last 15 minutes. And on the hourly, 3.3% up. For graph, where we're keeping an eye here on waves, right? I mean, it looks like waves is probably gonna have like another little pump and then flat. It's probably gonna be flat and start dumping again, right? It's really like around the top here. Man, what happened to Engine? They literally was a hot coin before LOL. Yeah, I know, Richmond. I remember Engine. I mean, I remember everybody talking about Engine. I really don't know what happened to it. Let's get up to date here with Engine. It was literally like top 30 or something, like top 40 coin. Everybody was talking about it, play to earn. It was like the biggest play to earn coin. And now it's like around, I don't even know what. Is it even in the top 100? Where is it? Try to find Engine. Yeah, let me see. I thought it was ranked. Engine coin is number. It doesn't even say here. Rank 70. Oh, so it's number 79 in terms of market cap. But I remember when it was way higher. I actually want to see it in the play to earn section. So let me see right here. Where's play to earn at? Categories. Let's go to categories. Where is play to earn gaming? Where's gaming at? I want to see where engine ranks in the gaming sector here in crypto. Content creation. Yeah, I can't find gaming. Where's gaming at on the categories or play to earn? Gambling. They have a gambling section. Yeah, I'm having a hard time finding gaming here, but I just wanted to see where engine would rank among the other gaming coins, because it did fall a lot. Yeah, I can't find the gaming section. Maybe entertainment. Yeah, but yeah, I remember when engine was like the next big thing. Like, yeah, that filter. What do you think about Near Protocol? Yeah, Near Protocol is has been doing pretty good these last couple of months. Let me see if I can go to it right here. To be honest, I haven't been like 100% up to date on Near Protocol, but I hear a lot of good things about it. It's really $5 right now, and I had a high of around $18. No, actually like $20. But it's ranked 21. I remember when it was like right over here around like $7 or like $5, which is currently at the moment, right? So we're currently around $5 at the moment. But so Near was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been boggling competing blockchains, such as low transaction speeds, low. Okay, so I see. I mean, it definitely has a great utility just by reading this. Flux, a protocol that allows the developers to create markets based on assets, commodities, real work. Let's see, minting platform examples of projects on here. Also, Flux is another great project in my opinion, which is ranked 157. Which I'm trying to DCA into Flux to have at least 1,000, so you could be able to like mine it. FTM is a good coin to watch out for. It's forming a head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hourly. Yeah, I gotta check out FTM. Is it like around 40 cents or something? What do you think? What do you do for BTC now to link? Near Protocol could go to $6 soon. Nice falling wedge. Let's check out here. Yeah, let's check out FTM. Currently at 34 cents. Yeah, I definitely see it. Now the Zap mention it. Definitely looks like that. As you guys can see. The 4 hourly as well. Yeah. I definitely see it. Yeah, let's check out Bitcoin. Told you guys here to watch Bitcoin. Let's go on the hourly. I told you guys this could be like a bull flag, right? I mean a bear flag. If it breaks this, it can drop like crazy, but the target to watch here is 29,888. There's a lot of resistance right there, and we might bounce off of it, but we gotta see. But this is the pattern that I'm looking at right now. It's like a bull flag, but 29,888. There's gonna be a lot of resistance there. If it breaks this, then it might fall, right? This is like a bull flag. It's making higher lows. If it breaks this, then we'll see. Is it hard to be a mailman, bro? Honestly, Richmond. Hold up. Oh, I forgot to put the music back. My bad. So Richmond just asked, is it hard to be a mailman? If you guys know, I am a mailman. Hopefully the music is not too loud. Yeah. And to be honest with you, you know, being a mailman is like, it really depends. I'm not gonna lie, like, this is 100%. It depends a lot on your office and city, because you can have literally 2 different jobs based on the office in your city. Like, there are offices that has a lot of overtime. They have bad supervisors, you know, the routes are long, you know, it's just a bad job, to be honest. But then there are offices that are way better. Like my office I do consider it to be good, so I do enjoy it and I like it. But usually, like, there are periods where there's like a lot of working, a lot of overtime, which is just like a lot of work. Like, if you're gonna be a mailman, expect to work a lot of hours. Usually offices have a lot of hours that they give to you, overtime, and even if you don't want it, you'll get forced to do overtime. But all in all, it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. You know, the hardest part is the first year, especially when you don't know the area. Like, if you know the area, that's like a huge plus, because you know the area. When you're a mailman for a city that you've never known about before, that's what happened to me. A lot of people are like that. Like, they live in one city and then they become a mailman in somewhere, a new city. Like, the first year is the hardest, because you're still learning the area and all that stuff. But after that, it gets pretty simple, especially when you get your own route. You know, you're doing the same area every single day, so it does get really simple. But remember, it depends a lot on the office. Like, if you become a mailman today and you get like the worst office, you're probably gonna hate it and you're gonna say, man, it's so hard, this blah blah blah. But if you were literally to apply in some other city or whatever, and you were to get a good office, it would be 100% different type of job. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my opinion on being a mailman. So you deliver papers. Craig O'Rourke said, hey bro, have sus of Luna Inu G URC20 is the meme Doquan Luna Killer meme in packages. Yeah, it's like letters, magazines, packages, all that. Lock liquidity, community owned. What are you trying to Luna Inu? Bro, I don't think anybody's gonna buy Luna Inu. Who knows? It might do better than the actual Luna. Imagine Luna Inu doing better than Luna Classic. That would be insane. How much do they make in the States? Because I live in Canada. I don't know what the starting pay is, but when I started, the starting pay was like around $18 or something. But after you become regular, it increases like $1 or something a year, which is really not that much. But honestly, it's kind of like mediocre pay. So like, it's like around the average price that the average person makes a year. Like, if they were, you know, if they had like the average price, it would probably be around there. But obviously, like, after like 10 years or something, or 12 years, you make like the top pay, and it stays at that pay, which is like not a bad pay. I don't know, if it's probably like around 60K, or like some people that work a lot of overtime get like over 70K a year. But it's kind of like the average price, the average salary. I mean, that's not bad. In Canada, they make like $10 to $11 USD for low salary. Wow, yeah, I mean, that's definitely pretty low. But yeah, it's definitely not. I mean, especially for being a job that you can start right after high school, it's definitely not bad in terms of salary. Because all you need to do to start it is like take a test, which is like it's mainly just like a IQ test, you know what I mean? And if you score higher than like 80 or something like that, even if you get like an average price, average grade, you'll be able to go to the next section, which is like background checks and stuff like that. Yeah, let me check out Waves again, see how that's doing. Yeah, looks like it's rounding up. I found support around that 7.94. So we're watching Waves here again. Looking to see when to enter on a short. Let me check here the hourly 15-minute GMT. But yeah, looks like Waves is starting to come up back here on 8.14. Let me see where we'll have a hard time here at resistance. Maybe around 8.43. Check on the 5-minute. $8.45, right? Honestly, tomorrow I'm gonna try to figure out how to use BitGet, because I'm gonna be using BitGet to trade, and I'm gonna try to trade live here with you guys, so it could be like exciting. I'm probably gonna trade like with like the test money, because I think they gave me like test money to trade with, like demo money or whatever. So I'm gonna use that. But yeah, I'm gonna be using BitGet. I contacted them and I was able to have like a deal with them. So that's gonna be the exchange that I use. I'm happy that they decided to collaborate with me. So, and I actually like it too. Like I actually contacted them. Like I was looking at which exchanges to use to trade. And I was like, oh, you know, BitGet, they don't require KYC. You can use them in the States, and you know, I hear a lot of good things about them. So I contacted them, and you know, they were pretty friendly, and they decided to collaborate. Yo, I'm late to the live stream. Hey, Arm Jr., welcome to the live stream, bro. It's all good. 30K subs. Yes, sir. Thanks for coming to the live stream, Arm Jr. Yeah, so we're looking at Waves right now, because a lot of people want to short Waves, because look at this. It's like a rounded top, right? It's like rounding up. And if Bitcoin continues to dump, Waves is gonna dump too, most likely, after this huge pump that I had the last couple of days. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys all for being here. We already have 25 likes. Thank you guys for 25 likes. And everyone that's here in the live stream. Look at that, guys. Cardano at 56 cents, XRP 39 cents. Solana falling under $40. What do you think Solana will go down to, guys? Next goal, 50K. Yep, that's my next goal, 50,000 subscribers. Honestly, I mean, I'll be surprised if I get it, because my goal is August in 68 days, like I think August 12th. But it's hard now because of the bear market, because the bear market, it affects crypto YouTubers, because there's less searches, less people are interested in crypto. So, you know, I'm not getting a lot of subs, I'm not getting, you know, views and all stuff, but it's all good because, you know, it's the bear market. It's supposed to be like that. I remember when it was the bull market and my channel was growing pretty heavily. But that's why you guys gotta take opportunity in this bear market. Invest in what you believe in. Diversify, especially in this crazy crypto market, because there's a lot of coins, right? So you don't know which ones are gonna be successful. Litecoin around $62. Near Protocol $5. Chainlink at $7.38. Algorand under $40. I mean 40 cents. Cosmos under $10. Wow. I actually want to check. Let me check here. The upcoming Solana NFTs to mint. I want to see here the upcoming NFTs here. They're coming out for Solana. So this is one of the ones that I'm super interested in right here. This one right here. I think this one's gonna be crazy. Ape. Okay. It's 5 Solanas to mint one, which is pretty high. But I checked their Twitter and their Discord, and it's so, like, they have 330 followers, right? But if you go to their Discord and their general chat, it's like so active. Like, it's like crazy. Diesel, what? Is this Diesel like the official brand? They literally tweeted Ape. No way. Bro, I have a shirt from Diesel. Nah, this project is gonna be hyped, guys. Diesel, the literally official brand. Yeah, this is they tweeted this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to mint one. I mean, this project is just super overhyped. This project is going to be crazy overhyped. And like I was saying, the Discord is like super active and all that. So it's definitely one that I'm probably gonna mint. It's called Ape. There's a couple other ones here coming up too. Great Goats is coming out in 12 hours. Great Goat is another one that's pretty overhyped as well. You can go here to their Twitter. How much is one? 2.75. Not bad. I mean, a lot of these NFT project guys, it's kind of crazy. But I'm gonna see. I might mint one, especially with Solana going down. Definitely gonna look into get. I already got my first Solana NFT yesterday called Degen Island. Like, that's what it was called, Degen Island. You know what I mean? Let's watch waves here. We gotta see when's the next good short here for waves. It's most likely, in my opinion, it's gonna be sideways for the next couple hours. Right, just like it was here, sideways, dump. It's probably gonna be sideways and then dump. I mean, that's what it's doing. That's what it does when it's like rounding, when it's making a rounded pattern. Let me actually see this. Hold up. Right, if it dumps, look at that. I mean, if it dumps from there, it would probably come to around 7.30, 35, which is the next huge support. I'm just getting here the measured move, right? Like that's around this, you know, the same dump, the same price. Like if it dumps from there, yeah, I mean this definitely looks good here. 7.35 definitely looks like good support here for waves. How much did it cost? Yeah, Zap, so it cost my first ever NFT, Solana NFT that I got yesterday. It literally just cost 1 Solana. Let me show you right here. Degen Island. And I actually like the project. It's kind of, it reminds me of Sandbox, because when you go to the website, you can see your island and you can put whatever photo you want for your island, as you guys can see right here. It only costs 1 Solana to mint. Currently the floor price is 0.88, but there are other ones that are selling above like 1.15 Solana. Obviously it depends on the NFT that you mint. Some are like small, medium, but this is zone 1. They're gonna have multiple zones. But look, if you go to the website, this is what's cool. You can see like the live islands, like the Degen Islands, and people literally post like their photos here, or like whatever they want of their profile on the island or whatever. But yeah, it was just one, and it was just 1 Solana. I'm probably looking here in the upcoming new drops. I'm probably gonna get a Great Goats NFT. This is the thing when you invest in NFTs, guys. A lot of people try to be like logic minded, but NFT projects, like just from having hyped, can triple, double the price. You know what I mean? I think the best way to judge if an NFT project is gonna be doing good or not is looking at the community. When you look at, for example, this one, Ape, which is going to be in 3 days. If you just go to their Discord, their Twitter, their Discord on the general chat is like crazy. Okay. If you go to their Twitter, they have like a lot of followers. Obviously it could be paid, but they have a crazy amount of followers. Diesel, this is one of the biggest clothing brands, tweeted their project. Okay, so that's what I like. You gotta look at the hype. You gotta look at the community, the hype. Some people try to be too logical and they try to look at utility and this and that. When you're investing in NFTs, that's what you gotta look for. But yeah, Armjun said, I'm putting together a playlist to learn how to trade crypto. It seems harder to get started compared to Forex. I'm up in Forex from when I started. Hopefully I will have the same success in crypto. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of great crypto YouTubers that show you how to trade. The one that I recommend, I really like Crypto Lifer. I also like Jasper. I think his name is Crypto Jasper. Casper, I think. But yeah, like I can see how Forex is more simple and crypto's a little bit more harder. Some people would say it's like the opposite. But one thing too that you gotta understand is crypto has cycles, right? Due to the Bitcoin's halving. So that's one thing that you gotta understand too. Instead of just holding, I'm gonna start trading. Yeah, Arm Junior, that's what I've been doing like the past couple of months. I've been doing both. Like I've been holding on cryptos that I believe will be successful in the future, but I've also been trading as well. So like $40. Yeah, it was like around $40. Yeah, zapped. I just said, oh, I should go mint a couple. It's cheap. Yeah, Solana NFTs are pretty cheap at the moment. And the last couple months, Solana NFTs have been fire. Like, have been like crazy. Like, there have been projects that literally tripled, 3x, 5x, 10x. The best place, obviously the biggest place for Solana NFTs is this website called Magic Eden. It's like the open sea for Solana NFTs, and it's super easy. Like, you just connect your wallet what I recommend is using Phantom. Like, make a Phantom wallet, and if you have a ledger, you can collect your ledger to the Phantom wallet, and then it'll be, your NFTs will be safe with your ledger, because people won't be able to like send it, because to send your NFT that's connected on your ledger, you need to click the buttons to confirm it. So that's what I do. I use Ledger connected to Phantom. Okay, get the Phantom wallet connected to your Ledger, then you're set to go here. You're set to use this. You click right here on Launchpad. These are the upcoming NFTs. These are the ones that are live right now. So you click right here. These are live. And then right here at the bottom, you guys see this 33%. That means that 33% has been minted total. Okay, so 375 minted out of 1,111 so far. And most projects, after it gets all minted, if it doesn't get all minted, they burn the rest. That's what most projects do. So after a while, I might get one. Not a big fan of NFTs though. Yeah, like honestly, I'm not like a crazy big fan of NFTs either. But I've been following like NFTs and like people just flipping NFTs and stuff like that. And that's why I recently got into it. Will be my first NFT, Arm Jr. said. Thanks, man. Downloading the Phantom wallet now. Hey, man, anytime. Like, this is... I haven't bought, like, NFTs either. Like the last 5 months or whatever. But ever since I started hearing a lot of good things about Solana NFTs, it going, like, the price is going crazy. That's when I got, started getting into it. I got the Phantom wallet connected to my Ledger. I've been looking here. Right here, if you click here on Launchpad, you can see upcoming NFTs. And the way to judge NFT projects is like this, guys. Look, so you click on them, right? The next one is Great Goats. In 12 hours is going to start the mint. You click on them. And here you can check out their website. You can check out their Discord. What I look for is community. Like I said, is the community active? Is there a lot of hype? You can check here on their Twitter. You can see if there's a lot of comments, which there is. Like people just talking about it, retweeting all their giveaways and all that stuff. So this one is going to be, the mint price is going to be 2.75 Solana for this one. And let me look here at some popular NFTs here. So let's see here. I want to see ones that how much like they were minted for, the launch price versus like today. You know what I mean? Can I see past? Yeah, right here, ended. So let me see one here. Let me just pick a random one here. Price was 1.25. Floor price 0.35. So this one looks like it didn't do that well. So that's why you got, like, so this one didn't do that well. But like if you check here, they probably don't have a huge, yeah, look, only 6,000 followers on Twitter, right? And I'm pretty sure they don't have a huge community on Discord. So you can, that's how you judge an NFT project. If they don't have a lot of action going on in the community, whether it's Discord, Twitter, then you should probably stay away from it. But the ones that I showed you, the ones that I'm keeping my eye on, Great Goats, and Ape, there's a lot of hype around them. I gotta check out these other ones too, but those are the ones that I'm watching at the moment. But yeah, those are just my thoughts. You know, I'm not like a big NFT guy either, but I mean, if it's crazy, if it's big, then I'm definitely gonna look into it. Let me look at SHIB actually. I want to see here SHIB on the... SHIB has just literally been like super flat. Right? Like this is just super flat here for SHIB. Kind of reminds me of like the times when like crypto's just flat for months. Let me check out here Bitcoin. This is what you guys gotta watch out for Bitcoin. This bear flag, you see this? Bitcoin might be forming a bear flag. And the bear flag basically means that it's like going up, making higher lows. But then if it breaks out of this, it dumps. So that's what I'm looking at the moment for Bitcoin. Thank you guys for 29 likes, guys. Thank you guys so much. I've been streaming here for how long? I don't even know how long we've been streaming, but I don't have work tomorrow, so I'm able to stream longer. So I want to thank you, all of you guys that are here in my stream. I probably will stream tomorrow too. Probably like earlier in the day because I don't have work tomorrow. So I'll be, you know, most of my viewers will be like awake because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are like, it's probably like nighttime in their country. Let's see your Bitcoin. Just watching Bitcoin for now. 29.8. Mexico. Michael Broomer said Mexico. Hey Michael, welcome to the stream, bro. You're from Mexico? Let me check how much views my latest TikTok got. 600, not bad. Pretty good. We're just watching TikTok. I mean, TikTok. Bitcoin for now. You guys gotta watch out for this resistance here for Bitcoin around 29.8, guys. You guys gotta watch out for it. Okay? Watch out for 29.8 or else.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I don't know if you guys heard that. I know I live here in Cancun. I am from Germany. Oh, really? That's great, man. Are you like a digital nomad? Zaf said we did. Yeah. So Mike, you live in Cancun, but you're from Germany. Do you like work? You work online, so you're like a digital nomad, I'm guessing. Hello, we heard it. Yeah, I gotta add more things to my stream deck. But I only have like 2 sound effects, which was that one, and then the first one, which I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of in the beginning of the stream. So there's the RKO one, and then this one.
No one has ever done that. No one has ever done that.
So I literally only got those 2 sound effects. I gotta add more stuff, obviously. Make it funny. Hello. You're watching. But yeah, that's definitely something I want to do in the future. Like my dream is to one day get to a point where I can be a digital nomad, but not like what you think. Like digital nomads, you think like they travel every week or a month. Like I don't want to do that. I want to just have the freedom to be location independent. You know what I mean? That's what I want to be like in the future. Indeed, in 2 years into crypto without taxes. Wow, that's pretty good, Michael. That's great. I mean, you're already 2 years into crypto without taxes. But what's your opinion on crypto right now, Michael? Do you think this is it's gonna dump even more, or is it a good time to invest? What's your opinion on it, Michael? Then you would need a job involving computers like IT or web design and development. Yeah, but I mean, what I'm trying to do is like I want to be like a digital nomad, but not like I want to have like my own like thing. Like obviously I'm trying to do that already with like YouTube, but like everything that surrounds YouTube and my brand. But I would rather have like my own business or whatever, like online business, versus working for like some other business or something like that. I mean, I know people are digital nomads, like they work for Google and, you know, those big tech companies. Where you from, homie? Obed. I'm from New Jersey in the United States. How about you, bro? Yes, so you want to be independent? Yeah. So I want to be like a, not like freelance, but like independent type of digital nomad. You know what I mean? But I've been like, my biggest thing is like passive income. I've just been focusing on the long-term passive income, especially with like surrounding crypto. You know what I mean? Because I do believe people will live off of their passive income in the future, especially surrounding crypto. You know, with staking and all these things. Where is it? But that's like more into the future. There we go. Michael said, I hope for more downside, but bought already at 28. Now I'm working 24 STD for more cash to buy more Bitcoin. So you're saying that you're working more now to get more cash to buy Bitcoin? Yeah, that's great. I mean, that's a great price. I think that's what everybody's trying to do at the moment, right? Try to get money, cash, to be able to buy more when it, you know, if it dumps. Pretty sure that's what a lot of people are doing. Especially if it comes down, like for Bitcoin, guys, I do expect a huge bounce at the 200 weekly MA. And I do think that will come down to the 200 weekly MA this bear market. Because all previous bear markets, Bitcoin came down to the 200 weekly. Right? You can check all previous bear markets. I made a TikTok on this. And the 200 weekly is currently around 21K at the moment. 21 or 22K. So we're actually pretty close to it. But I do think that we'll at least touch it. I don't know if we're gonna bottom on it, but I do think that we'll at least wick down to it, and there will be a huge bounce from it. I do think that as well. Watching Bitcoin right now. Looking at this bull flag here. Let me see here. Oh, Luna Classic down 3.3% the last 15 minutes. Let me check on the hourly. Waves up 1.2%. Neo up 2%. What are your favorite coins? So Michael asked, what are my favorite coins? yeah, so let me show you here. So honestly, if I actually made a video, not a video, like a TikTok today, I'm gonna post tomorrow on my 3 safest bets, the top 3 cryptos that I believe will survive this bear market. They're not my favorite coins, I mean some of them are, but they're my 3 safest bets that I think will survive this bear market, and they are Chainlink, Monero, and Ethereum. And the reason why is that it's 3 reasons. Number 1, they survived multiple bear markets before, right? You can look in the history. They're constantly developing, so they've been developing. And another thing too is it's not like they came out like last year, you know what I mean? It's not like they're a new coin or something like that. And then the last one is that they all have a unique and special utility that they bring to the space. So those are my 3 safe bets that if I were to like choose the top 3 altcoins, right? Obviously we're not letting Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin, but altcoins, I'll probably choose Chainlink, Monero, and Ethereum to survive this bear market. But my favorite altcoins though, I am a fan of XRP, so I know a lot of people hate or love XRP, but I do believe in XRP, so they're one of them. Another one is Chainlink, obviously. I like Chainlink. I like Algorand. Cosmos. Cosmos is actually my favorite altcoin. I really like Cosmos. I love the fact that projects that are building on Cosmos airdrop like a pretty huge amount of their tokens to people that stake Cosmos and other cryptos in the Cosmos ecosystem, like Juno, Osmosis. So Cosmos is probably my favorite altcoin, to be honest, but it's not one that I would probably say like I'm 100% confident that would survive like everything, but it's my favorite one. Let's see here, HBAR. I actually do like the KuCoin token, KCS. It's probably my favorite exchange token versus BNB and other exchange tokens because number 1, KuCoin is a huge exchange. Number 2, it actually has good utility within the KuCoin exchange. Like, if you take out your trading fees, you'll get on KCS, you get 20% discount. They also have like bonus, like you can stake it, like you get a bonus every single day with it, and there's some other things too with it. Let's see some other ones here. Data, I do like Data. Currently right now I'm trying to save up at least 1,000 Data to be able to stake it and earn T-Fuel. But Data is basically like a live streaming platform. Another one too that I like is Flux. Flux is another good altcoin that I like. Helium, HNT. I have an HNT miner. Rune is another good project as well. But yeah, those are just some of my altcoins that are my favorite. I hold Zilliqa. Let me see here. Yeah, so those are just some of them. But I do have I'm pretty diverse in the cryptos that I hold. Like I hold Shiba Inu, I hold Cardano, I hold Dogecoin, I hold Polkadot, Polygon. Another one too that I like is VRA, Veracity. I do like Veracity for the long term. It's kind of like Data, but it's smaller in market cap. It's like rank 524, right? But I do like it. It's a more to risk to big risk to reward a ratio though compared to the other ones. Yeah, looks like Bitcoin's come up here. Check out your waves. See how it's reacting here. Yeah, I mean it's forming like around the top still. Like I said, it's probably just gonna be flat, and then it's probably gonna have a huge drop around here. Yes, I love KCS KuCoin. I use KuCoin too, but I want to wait for the drop to $10. Yeah, and it really had KCS. I remember when it was like around, it dropped like pretty good, and I actually picked up some, which I'm happy because it had like a huge pump recently to like $17 right now. I believe it's like around $17. But yeah, I do think that it can come down to $10 or so. Do you think it's possible soon? What do you mean? Do you think it's possible soon? To like, oh, for $10? Yeah, definitely. Let's check out KCS. I mean, especially with Bitcoin coming down, it's definitely possible. But I remember back in the day when KCS was like $2, and man, I wish I would have bought a lot, because during that time KuCoin wasn't still crazy popular, which is the reason why KCS was like around $2 or so. And then I remember when it had a huge pump, which I think it was around right here. Yeah, so it was actually like $4, not really $2. Well, over here it was like $4, $5, and huge pump, boom, all the way to $20. Came back down around $6. Then right here, 2021. Went as high as $30. Came back down. But yeah, $10. I mean, that's what it hit the last huge dump, right around $9. So $10 is definitely a great support, as you can see right here. $10.70 for KuCoin, KCS. It will definitely get down there again if Bitcoin continues to dump, right? But after it hit $9, it just had a V-shaped recovery, like really fast right here, as you can see. Avalanche. What coin? Oh, this is the crypto mark. So this is the crypto market cap at the moment at 1.2 trillion. And look at this. If we break 1.20 trillion and we start falling down here, that's not gonna be good. Cause look at this graph. Look how much support we have at 1.20 trillion. We're literally on the edge right now in terms of the crypto market cap. 1.2. There's a lot of support at 1.2. I mean, look at this. If we start, closing down here below 1.2 trillion, that's not gonna be good at all. But right now, like I said, we're on the edge of support here. That's why we've been flat the last couple of days, because we literally just been on support, just like on 1.2, right? But we were literally 1.14 a couple days ago, which got bought up super quick. You saw this pump, boom. That was when Bitcoin was around like 32K. Then huge dump. Now we're back at 1.2. But guys, watch. Look, this is a very important chart here. If you're trading crypto market cap 1.2 trillion. This is a key level to watch, because if it can start coming down lower here, staying lower than 1.20 trillion, that's definitely not a good sign. Hello, hey, what's up, Vlad? Thanks for joining the live stream, bro. Welcome to the live stream. I'm just looking here at some crypto charts. We're looking at the crypto total market cap. And I'm just saying here that 1.20 trillion is huge support. Huge support. We're literally on the edge right now. Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Let me check here in the 15-minute. What's been up or down? Luna Classic 1.3 up. Any current trades you're looking at? Yeah, let's look here. One of the ones is waves. So waves right now is definitely one to be looking at because it literally had a huge pump a couple like these last days. Waves had a huge pump from $4 to almost $12. And now, I mean, if Bitcoin continues to dump, crypto market and the crypto market cap goes under 1.20, a lot of people are going to be shorting waves. That's what a lot of people are talking about right now, shorting waves because of this huge pump. And if Bitcoin goes down, crypto market, you know, everything starts coming down, most likely waves will dump as well. And if you look at this, it kind of looks like a rounded top, right? Look, it's like rounding up right here. It's kind of like upside down cup. But my support levels to watch is 7.80. Zapped also said 7.90. Okay, which it bottomed. It wicked down here to 7.92. So if it dumps and breaks that in the dump, then it's gonna continue to dump here and form the rest of this cup. Okay, see, there's like a cup. So that's the one that a lot of people are watching at the moment to short. I got burned on that one. Bad memories. Oh Bart Simpson. Just came back, was eating some chicken. He said he got burned on waves, trading waves. How was he chicken zapped? It was probably go to like $4 if that does happen, but it will need to break the 6.3 resistance. 6.3, let me check right here, 6.33. Yeah, I see it right here. Yeah. 6.33, yeah. So you think it could come there? I mean, that would be a great short to there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to check out waves on KuCoin, because this might be a great short depending how it goes this weekend. I'm used to food poisoning anyways. Good midnight chicken. Look at previous support. Yeah, I'm looking here at previous support. 6.3. Yeah, look over here as well. Maybe even 6.50. Watch out, 6.50 as well. 6.3 is a lot though. A lot of support. Looking here, yeah. Even over here. Here as well. So yeah, that's very key support. Most likely it will come down there. But we gotta see how this plays out, because this one might be a good one to short. Might be a great one to short. I might have to check it out on KuCoin. Like from May 1st. Yeah, let me check out here from May 1st. It actually doesn't go as, it doesn't go back. Oh, actually it does. Well, May 1st was like $12 though. For May 1st, it was like around $12 for me. What time are you gonna be streaming till? Honestly, I'm probably gonna get off in probably like a couple minutes. It's already 12 o'clock here. but I don't work tomorrow, so I'll probably stream like earlier tomorrow, like in the day. Yeah, the long pole. There I saw the red candle at the top and shorted. Didn't stop me out really high. That long upward wick on it got me. Which one was it? This one? Yeah, man, you gotta be careful if you're leverage trading. Put a tight stop loss. You know what I mean? You wanna be careful with your risk to reward ratio, so you don't get liquidated. The first one, also this one right here. Boom. Yeah, I can see why people shorted here. Looking. And which platform did you use, Vlad? KuCoin? Try trading with low leverage. Yeah, that's definitely a great tip. You know, even if it's like 2x, 1x leverage. Always wait for the candle close confirmation. I was on MEXC. Yeah, I think I've heard of that one before. MEXC. I was on 25x at the time. Yeah. 25x is a pretty big amount. You definitely got to use like 2x, 3x. And then after you get consistent on that, then you'll use something crazy like 25x global. But yeah, I'm gonna start using BitGet, but I don't think BitGet has like a lot of the crazy like the altcoins. But I'm gonna start using BitGet, and then for like all altcoins, like low cap altcoins like these, I'll probably use KuCoin. So I've started to use 10x. Yeah, 10x is pretty good, but I'm a little over safe with trades. Yeah, I'm pretty sure because you probably have really good risk to reward ratio. You know, stop losses. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna look into BitGet, getting my setup on BitGet and also KuCoin, so I could be at like live trading, actual live trading here with you guys. That's gonna be really, really fun. So it's like waves is pumping now. It's coming back up here. 8.22. Let's see how it reacts. I'm a little over safe. I'm watching for the BTC pullback to 28,800, and then I'm longing ADA. Oh, be careful longing ADA. You know, ADA just recently had a huge pump. Let me check out ADA. I mean, it did come down here, and it's like in this range, flattening. But you definitely want to be careful longing ADA, especially since it had this, you know, pump here. And it just, let's just say there's room for ADA to come down. But obviously you would want to long it if it was like, if it came down here to the lows here, around 45 cents or even lower. But you definitely got to be careful with ADA. I think the upside will be 35k on BTC, and ADA will be 0.50 cents. How low do you think ADA will come down though? Like if BTC drops to 28,800, how low do you think ADA will come down that you think is a good longing price? I'm looking at BTC here. You know, BTC right now for me, it looks like it's a bear flag. right? It's in like it's in this bear flag. Looks like it's wow. Looks like it's resisting it right now. Let's see right here. Look, looks like we're at the bottom here for the bear flag here in the hourly. So let's see how it reacts to this. I mean, if it breaks it right here, we gotta see 29,690. My biggest support though of Bitcoin right now, you gotta watch is 29,300. Watch 29,300. ADA will be at 0.50 cents at the time. Bro, don't focus too much on ADA. Try some alts as well that closely correlate with Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'm saying like be careful with ADA because ADA recently had a huge pump. But you think it will come down to 50 cents around here? 50 cents. Yeah, right here. So, right here at 50 cents. Yeah, I can see that. But it doesn't mean it can't come down lower to like back to like 40 cents or even lower. I'm looking at Sol and AVAX as well. Yeah, Sol definitely is taking a hit. I mean, Solana under $40, right? Came as low as $35. So, and a lot of this is because of what happened, right? With it, you know, being halted and, you know, just coming down like the network. So that has a huge effect in the price. AVAX is another one too. I think it's like under $30. It was literally like $70 a couple months ago. Last time, I'm not longing ADA till Bitcoin falls to 28,800 and the starts back up. Well, you think if Bitcoin hits 28,800 it'll start back up? Let's check right here. 28,800, right? Yeah, so right around here, 28,800. I actually have a support line right there on it. So yeah, I mean, my next huge support for Bitcoin is really 29,300. If it breaks that, then we can definitely come down here to 28,800. But watch out for 29,300 because Bitcoin might bounce off of that. I mean, we're already 1, 2, right? It might bounce off of it a third time or maybe even fail it. We got to see. But 29,300 is definitely one to watch. And watch this bear flag that's in right now. It looks like a bear flag. And Vlad, I see that you're into trading. Me and Zapped, we're actually, I have my free Discord. If you want to join, you're more than welcome to join. And me and Zapped, we post like our like free signal alerts. And if you're interested, I'll definitely let you be able to like post to us. It's just mainly me and him, me and Zapped, that's in the chat. But we basically post your signal alerts here where we talk about like TA. And then here I have like a trader chat where we're basically discussing prices, like what we think and stuff like that. And if you want to join, you can join my Discord. It's in the description below. It's all free. And yeah, I'm just trying to build a crypto community here organically for my YouTube. Yo, check out the chart I posted on Discord. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out right here. Cool, I'll join. Yeah, thank you, Vlad. I'll actually post it right here. I'll put the link so it'll be easier for you to join. in the chat. But yeah, bro, thank you for joining. It's very simple. Like the general chat is just like general about crypto, people just generally talking. Then we have the trader chat, and that's like focused on trading. Then I created a trader voice chat, like to like talk or like voice chat and all that. But on signal alerts, me and Zap, we basically post our charts and like our resistance and supports and stuff like that. And if you're interested in posting too, definitely let me know. Yeah, I do a lot of analysis for guys in another channel as well on Discord. Oh, really? Wow, that's great. For what channel? So you posted this, Zap? Let me see here. So this is for Bitcoin. Man, how do you get these charts, Zap? You make them yourself? Well, how do you make? I see you got the like the fib channels here. You have like the circle fibs, or is like charting crypto? I have multiple lines drawn for different channels. Okay, I see. I like to be able to bounce ideas. Yeah, 29,300 right over here. Yeah, Zap, you gotta show me how to make these fib lines. I see your fib lines right here. Are they like circle fibs? I definitely want to learn how to make them. That's a crazy amount of trend lines. Oh, looks like some of mine. Yeah, this is mine. Let me show you here on the daily. I only have like a couple of trend lines. I gotta try to. This is one right here that I'm watching though. You see this one right here, the top of April 5th and May 5th. This is one that I'm watching. When Bitcoin makes contact with this right here at the top of April 5th and May 5th, this is the line that I'm watching. And I actually made this one before. You see this trend line right here, the second one? I actually made it before, and I said if Bitcoin breaks this, it's gonna be good, it's gonna pump. And look what happened, it pumped. And you could check that out on my Discord in the history for like proof. But I posted, I said if Bitcoin can break out of this, stay above it, it's gonna pump. And then that was when Bitcoin pumped right here, May 30th, boom, right? So this is my next one that I'm watching. But that's a crazy amount. So this is so much cleaner. But yeah, what's your guys' favorite indicator? Like your favorite indicator to look at? Let me know what you guys use so I could note it down here so I could check out. I like the stochastic RSI, but I also like the order block finder. I don't know if you know what that is. It says right here, order block finder. It's like it tells you when there's like a lot of either buy orders, heavy buy orders, or sell orders. And based on that, it tells you if it's bearish or bullish. So right here we have like a lot of buy orders. So it comes down here, right over here, a lot of buy orders. I like it because it's something that you can't see on the chart, right? It's like Zap said stochastic RSI, MACD, RSI, volume, SMA. Yeah, I like a lot of those. It's like the MACD and stuff. I just wish I could put it, because I have like the free version of TraderView, so I can only put like 3 indicators. But I used to have the MACD as well. But I gotta get like the paid version for TradingView, because I do miss seeing the MACD and some other ones. Vlad said I have the trending drawn at a similar zone, but mine shows a breakout in the retest there, so it's possible to continue up. Yeah, like the one that I talked to you guys, the one I told you about, this one. You could have multiple tabs open and have separate charts with different indicators on there. Yeah, that's something that I was thinking about doing, but you would have to like make that. Wouldn't you have to like make different accounts, or it wouldn't matter? Oh, I don't think it would matter, right? Like you don't have to make different accounts, cause yeah, maybe you have to have different accounts, I guess. Yeah, because I'm logged into here. Yeah, but that's something to do. I need to get like another monitor though. I used to have like 2 monitors, but ever since I moved, I have like 1. No, it wouldn't matter. Oh, okay, so it wouldn't matter. Yeah, I'm definitely watching this. I do that sometimes because I have the free version as well. Oh, really? I mean, it looks like from your graph, it looks like you have like the paid version. But honestly, I'm probably gonna do it too. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here till the stream. Thank you, Zapped. Thank you, Vlad. Everyone that's still been here on the streams. We got 37 likes. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I'm gonna get off right now, but I just want to thank you guys so much. Catch me on Discord. I'm active there. Lad said I have TMA, RSI divergence. I use the MACD without signal lines and the stochastic RSI. I like to look for divergences on the RSI. Yes, Vlad, I do love divergences as well. Looking on the RSI and the MACD and the stochastic. I love looking for like bearish divergence and like bullish divergence. It's like a great style of trading that's pretty accurate, so I do like that style of trading as well. I also heavily use the VWAP for day trades. Yeah, I want to add the VWAP, but I gotta make like a separate window to be adding all these indicators. Trend moving average. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'm probably gonna end the stream right now, but if you guys want to talk more about trading and all that stuff, join the Discord. You guys can trade there. And also, Vlad, if you want to be part of the signal alerts, if you want to like do signal alerts, post your stuff, definitely let me know. I'll let you be able to add your signals there. But yeah, the Discord is all free. And thank you guys so much. I'm gonna end it right now, but we can talk more on Discord. And thank you guys so much.